Welcome back to Voyage to Void. Today, we take you inside NASA's Michoud assembly facility in New Orleans. What you're seeing right now is a critical milestone in humanity's journey back to deep space. This is the forward join hardware for the Space Launch System core stage built for Artemis 3, a mission that represents a major shift in NASA's roadmap. Originally, Artemis 3 was planned to land humans on the moon, the first woman and the next man walking on the lunar surface. But now, that plan has changed. Instead of a lunar landing, Artemis 3 will operate in Earth orbit, testing one of the most critical elements of future lunar missions, docking between the Orion spacecraft and next-generation lunar landing systems. This step is essential. Before astronauts can return to the moon, these systems must be proven in real flight conditions. And that is exactly what Artemis 3 will do. Look at the scale. This structure includes the intertank, the liquid oxygen tank, and the forward skirt. When fully assembled, this core stage will stand over 200 feet tall, the backbone of the most powerful rocket ever built. Right now, teams are carefully moving this hardware into final integration. This is where the rocket begins to take its final shape. Every movement, every alignment must be precise, because even the smallest deviation can have massive consequences. This core stage will eventually be joined with 2 solid rocket boosters and 4 RS-25 engines. Together, they will generate millions of pounds of thrust at liftoff. The power behind this system represents decades of engineering, innovation, and human determination. This process, known as the major join, is one of the most complex in aerospace engineering. Every weld, every sensor, every system must perform flawlessly, because this rocket will carry astronauts beyond Earth and into the next phase of human exploration. Artemis 3 is no longer the mission that lands on the moon. It is the mission that makes that landing possible. The first return to the lunar surface will come after this mission, and everything depends on what happens here as we move forward. Progress is accelerating. New technologies are being tested. New systems are coming online, and step by step, we are building a sustainable presence beyond Earth. The hardware is real, the mission is evolving, and humanity is preparing for its next giant leap. The question is no longer if, but when, and that moment is getting closer every single day, because this is more than a mission. It is the beginning of a new era where humanity becomes a truly spacefaring civilization, a future where missions to the moon are just the first step towards something far greater, reaching deeper into space and pushing the boundaries of what we once thought possible.